gotta be asleep by now.
He used to stay awake all night waiting for Santa.
I think those days are just about over.
To the North Pole, of course. This is the Polar Express.
Hey, you know what kind of train this is? It's a magic train.
Christmas just doesn't work out for me. Never has.
What exactly is your persuasion on the big man?
Well, I want to believe, but...
But you don't want to be caught. You don't want to be bamboozled. You don't want to be taken for a ride. Railroaded. Seeing is believing. Am I right?
There is the North Pole.
True spirit of Christmas lies in your heart.